Hello there. Shall we continue from where we left? After Genting Highlands and strolling around the Skytropolis, we were in search of a place to have lunch. Look what we found after having food. And we're on our way to Genting Skyworlds now. Look at the weather. It was snowing and the view was perfect now. I am a little excited. How about you? Before we enter, we stopped at the rooftop from where you could see the entire Genting Skyworlds along with the view of the zip line. After spending some time here, we started walking towards the ticket counter. You also get the view of the zipline here. We were freezing. If you plan to come here, bring your sweaters too. So if you plan to include the Skyworlds, remember it is open from 11 a.m. until 6 p.m. only. You can purchase the tickets here or you can use the online offers. Now that we are here, let's have fun, shall we? We are excited and scared at the same time. But that shouldn't stop us from trying these insane rides. had a good time here at the Genting Highlands, Skytropolis, and Genting Skyworlds. Hope you guys enjoyed watching our little trips. We have more places to share in Malaysia. So keep watching.